We started about 4 years ago. My co-founder, Jeff McCauley, and I. We actually come from the energy industry. So we simply set out to try to solve a problem, a big problem in energy. And we got directed very quickly to insurance and decided to start an insurance company. So we like to say that I'm a lawyer, and my co-founder is an engineer. A lawyer and engineer walked into a bar and started an insurance company. And honestly, it's kind of how it happened. So if you're a business owner and you want solar on your roof, you're probably going to do a long-term financing to make that affordable for you. Well, when you go to a bank to get financing, the bank asks what your Moody's credit rating or S&P credit rating are. Over 90% of the businesses in the country, in the US, don't have a Moody's level credit rating, and therefore the banks weren't able to extend them long-term financing. The default risk on electricity is measurably lower than default risk on other loans. And so what we did is we felt like this misunderstanding or mispricing of the risk was able to be solved by insurance. We started talking to insurers in the US and in Europe, and found a great partner in SCOR, the UK office of SCOR, to launch a credit insurance product that covers up to 10 years of payment default risk on solar and other renewable energy loan financing. A lot of this, like what we call distributed generation, which is solar on site, like at your business, is more impacted by state regulations than federal. So curiously, we find that states who have strong subsidy programs, or some of them have created like tradable renewable energy credits that add value to the solar. When you install it, you get an extra payment from the government or the utility. That helps with a secondary revenue source to the project to make it more economically viable. Those are very important programs that really help increase the installation rate. I had jumped on a plane, made up some business cards, made up a company name, and showed up with an idea and maybe something written on the back of a napkin, but that was about it. And Will didn't laugh me out of the room, but didn't jump on it right away either. He gave me a year or so to flesh out the idea with Jeff. But by the next ITC in 2017, Will had scheduled a meeting with me and said, I've been thinking about what you pitched to me last year, and I think it has an opportunity there. The interesting thing, we work at the intersection of energy, clean energy, insurance, and finance. So we have a collection of investors that kind of represent all those areas. We started with solar specifically. It's a very proven technology, very common technology, and we want to grow into other technologies, maybe get more into battery storage, fuel cells, energy efficiency. So growing out the same products, very similar or the same underwriting methodology, but just with different and newer technologies, and then grow geographically as well, because this problem of credit is a worldwide issue. Yeah, thank you. I love the format of just more casual conversation, and thanks for inviting me. It was fun.